We are going to talk about the sector widget on EPSMomentum. This widget is here. You can just click there on this icon and it brings a big widget with a chart and 11 charts of the spider ETFs for various industries, from energy to technical to energy to technology to financials to healthcare, real estate, and so on. Here we have 3 periods, so the 12 months growth of these. The good thing is you can move at any date during the year, December, November, and so on, to see the growth of these curves from one another, all normalized. So if I go 3 months, I can look at for the past, say, month or so, which one has outperforming. I can see it's XLK, so technology, or consumer, XLC. But if I do 15 days, I can have an even narrower curve and I can see which one is outperforming. So very quickly, very visual. Also, I can quickly eyeball which one out of these 11 charts is actually heading upward the most. The interesting thing as well is I can look at 3 months, but I can look at the ratio to the S&P, right? So it's really a relative value to the S&P. So here, most of them have been heading south except technology. So this really puts things into perspective compared to the S&P, and that's invaluable. Very important when you do your analysis, and very important when you pick which sector you want to invest in at a given point in time. We also track the price slope. Of course, this is very, very volatile, so prices tend to switch very quickly, and this price slope is fairly sensitive. And the skew slope as well, so the option skew, again, very sensitive as well, and the dollar flow. So whether some are more into positive territory than others or negative ones. So you can see XLK is really positive, and others are a little bit down and weak, not strong values. So again, this is very useful and quick widget for you to have a look at the sectors. And again, if you have any questions, just message us on support@EPSmomentum.com, and we'll be happy to answer your questions. And thank you very much for your attention.